Tired of the default IMO ringtone? Changing it to your favorite sound is quick and easy, and I'll show you how. Let's get started. Here's how to customize your call ringtone in the IMO app. Open the IMO app on your phone. Go to your profile, usually found in the bottom right corner, tap on Settings or the gear icon, then select Notifications. From the notification menu, choose Call or Call Ringtone. Here, you'll see a list of IMO's default and trending ringtones. Tap any to preview and select it.to use your own sound. Look for an option like Add, From Phone, or Custom Ringtone. This allows you to select an audio file from your device's storage. For high-quality, free ringtones, check the link in the video description to download options. And now your IMO calls will sound exactly how you want. If this tutorial helped, please give this video a like, it helps the channel grow. Want a tutorial on another app? Tell me which one in the comments. For more useful guides and direct download links, remember to check the description and subscribe.